Hello there, everybody. I know there's some differences, huh? I am 37 weeks pregnant, which means little man could be here at any time. So I got these crochets done so I don't have to worry about my hair. I wonder how long I can sit Indian style. Let me show you my belly. He is large and in charge. Hey there, my name is Deidre. I'm a content creator based out of Michigan. On my channel, you'll find videos about natural hair and mom life. Today, we're diving into the mom life. Today, we're going to pack the hospital bag and baby bag because, like I said, he can be here anytime. So we need to be able to grab something and go. My biggest suggestion is to pack like you're going to a hotel. Right? The hospital's gonna have diapers, they're gonna have blankets, they're gonna have postpartum stuff for you. So all that postpartum stuff that you think you need to bring, like the peri bottle, the ice pack wipes, the perineal cream, if you have something specific you want to bring that, but the hospital will provide you. If you're going to a hospital, I'm going to a hospital. So the hospital will provide you with those things, okay? So I have everything laid out over here for the bag, but first let's talk about the bag. You can use any bag. I would use anything you want to use. A roller bag, a backpack, anything that you're comfortable with, because this is my last baby, because I'm only having two. God willing, I'm only having two. I wanted to get something special, so I asked my husband to get me this itsy ritzy diaper bag, hospital diaper bag. This thing is massive. Like, it's really big pocket on the inside. It's got a pocket on the bottom. It's got some pockets in here, but either way, a bag is the most important thing that you're going to need. Alright, so let's talk about what you need for yourself. First thing you're going to need for yourself are some nursing bras. I got these really comfy ones from Kindred Bravely. They were sent to me. I am an affiliate. I'll leave a code down below if you want to shop and use my code. Help you girl out a little bit. I got two really comfy nursing bras if you plan on nursing. I got a more structured bra that I'm going to bring. I got some normal underwear because when I was on the way to the hospital with my daughter, my water broke, and then I was in wet underwear for a while and it was really uncomfortable. I have a robe, a nursing robe, just a normal robe, just to throw on after you shower when you're walking around. I've got some really comfy joggers that I also got from Kindred Bravely. Got black and I got maroon. I also have this black nursing shirt from Kindred Bravely. And I have another dress, not another dress, but I have a nursing dress from Kindred Bravely as well. I really love how comfortable their bamboo line is. It just makes moving around so much easier. So you will need some clothes, some nursing clothes, and you will also need a going home outfit. Like I said, I live in Michigan, so one of these will be my going home outfit. I'll just throw a coat on, or I might bring some sweats and a hoodie, honestly. And that'll be my going home outfit. I'm just not a fancy person. I'm also not going to bring makeup to the hospital, so I'm really just going to bring whatever I need to be comfortable. I'm also going to make sure I have a pair of grippy socks. I'm probably going to bring 2 pairs of socks just in case something wastes on my socks. You never know. Having wet socks is really sucky. Put these in the bag. Alright, so I got my clothes. I'm also going to bring some Always Depends. I am a small person. I am 5 foot. Normally I weigh 110 to 115, 105 pounds. So the postpartum underwear they give you with the pads, they were really too big for me. So I'm going to bring a few of these in my diaper bag, but you don't have to bring them. I'm just bringing them because they are more comfortable for me. I'm probably gonna bring, I honestly don't know. I'm gonna bring about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring about 7. If I don't use them all, I just have them at home. So the next thing that I'm going to bring are some masks because it is COVID and I want to be comfortable with my own mask. So COVID started and everything shut down in March of 2020. My daughter was born in April 2020. So our birth story was a little different. Me and my husband, we couldn't leave the room. No one could come see us. Like, they had to bring food to us in the room. So I wonder what it'll be like this time. I'm also going to bring a folder. This folder is really dingy, so don't worry about it. It's just a random folder we had laying around the house. They're going to give you a lot of paperwork in the hospital, things you need to sign, things you might want to take care of or keep up with. So it's helpful to have a folder. The next thing I'm going to have are 2 long charging cords for me and my husband. I don't know about y'all, but I hate sharing a charger with my husband. Like, I want my own. I want you to have your own. So I'm bringing 2 for each one of us. A long charging cord. I am bringing, hold them this way. I'm bringing little alcohol bottles for my husband because you never know. Maybe he needs a shot. Just trying to be considerate, you know. So the next thing I'm going to bring are my toiletries. Now this is really, really important. These are like the small things that you're gonna need. Again, pack like you're going to a hotel, all right? So I've got a sponge. I've got some hand sanitizer. I've got a big scrunchie because these are big crochets. I'm probably gonna bring another one of these big scrunchies. I got some cleaning towelette Hydro Boost wipes to wipe my face off because I might not think about washing my face, honestly. I might just want to wipe it off in the shower. I don't know. I've got some deodorant. I've got toothpaste. I've got eye drops. I don't wear contacts, but my husband does, so I'm sure he's going to need it. I got some shower gel. I also have some nipple cream in here for my nipples, so I know they're going to hurt a little bit. I got some Motrin because the hospital will charge you for Motrin, and it's just dumb, so I got my own. A toothbrush. Carmax. Carmax is essential. Something to put on your lips. Matter of fact, I just licked my lips and they're a little dry. Some face moisturizer. Any soap you want to wash. Any soap you want to use. Some lotion, deodorant. Like I said, pack like you're going to a hotel. You know what you need in a hotel. Bring those things. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to bring is some more nursing things. And I'm actually also going to use these little packing cubes. I got a big one. And then I also got a square one and a smaller one. So we're going to use the medium size one right now. I'm going to put some breast pads in here because you never know if you're going to leak. So I got these breast pads and I got these soothing gel pads. Again, the hospital might provide you some, but just in case they don't, I'm going to put those in there. Okay, so with this bag, I'm also going to put snacks in here. I'm going to have some Ritz crackers. I'm not going to put them all in there. Now we're going to put almost all of them. I'm going to put about 6 of them in there. You just never know. Sometimes I got hungry in between the nurses bringing us food, or my husband did, so you just never know. I also am going to bring some beef jerky. Not really for me, more for my husband so he can snack. I'm also going to bring some trail mix for us, so again, we can snack. Next thing are my shower shoes. Now, mine are in a bag because they are already dirty. These are kind of like outside shoes, but I'm going to use them for the shower because I couldn't find, this was last minute and I didn't want to run back out to the store. So I'm going to use these shoes, these chanclas. They're dirty and I don't want the dirt to get on my clothes in the bag. So that's pretty much all I'm going to bring for myself. Like I said, maybe I will film another video of like a little postpartum kit you can have in the bathroom. Let me know in the comments if that's something you would like. Now let's talk about what we're bringing for the baby boy. I'm going to use this packing cube for his stuff. So for baby boy, I'm going to put his stuff in the bottom of the bag down here. Oh, it says "here we go" on the bag. So the first thing that we're going to bring for him is a little swaddle that's his little brother on it, so I can take pictures. I'm going to bring a hat and some little mittens. I'm going to bring some A&D cream. We are going to circumcise our son, so this is going to be around his little area. A little going home outfit for him. Like, we live in Michigan, so it's going to be cold, so he needs to be warm. We also have this little warm onesie just in case we want to put him in a fleece onesie going home, honestly. Another onesie just in case it's a little cold in the hospital. Also have some little mittens for him to wear on his hands. I got 2 swaddles because I cannot swaddle with the blanket, and the Velcro swaddles will be easier for me and my husband to use, so I'm going to add a Velcro swaddle. And the next thing I'm going to add is some blankets. And that is it. I am also going to add a pacifier for him once I get that sterilized. Just make sure you grab socks for the baby. So when it comes to diapers for the baby and wipes for the baby, they're going to provide all that with the hospital. So I wouldn't bring any of that, but what I would do is I would take a few of the diapers and like maybe like if they have like a disposable wipe thing you can take that. So for the ride home, just in case baby has a blowout, you have something that... My mom is FaceTiming me right now. I'm just going to call her right back. The last thing that I'm going to add is a blanket. Again, I don't know if it's going to be cold in there. I didn't need a blanket last time, but I didn't give birth in the winter of Michigan last time. It was springtime, so I don't know. Okay, I'm going to have to answer her. Hello?
Hey! Where's Gabby? I was going to show the horses.
Mama, what time is it?
Oh, it's 2 o'clock. She's sleeping.
Yes, she's sleeping. My bag is packed. That's all I'm going to bring. If I left anything out, please let me know. I feel like I'm leaving something out. I don't know what it is, but if I did, let me know. Oh, so one more thing I'm going to bring that's not going to go in the bag is a nursing pillow. Now, I know they try to like prop pillows up underneath your belly or whatever, and that's fine and all, but I want to be as comfortable as possible, and I feel like a nursing pillow will help me do that. If you put something in your hospital bag that you found really helpful, go ahead and put it down in the comments below. Maybe somebody will find it helpful too. Maybe I will, and I'll include it in my bag because I still got some room in these pockets. Like, I hope y'all have a great day. Let me know how you liked the video. Let me know if any other mom videos you want to see in the next one. All right, talk to you later. Bye.